Hello, my name is Cruz, Chavez, and this is video log number 2. The first question asks, what cultural and gender influence did you observe in the video clip? I noticed that Hugh was from Britain. He had a British accent. He speaks in a different way than Ellen did. When he spoke, instead of saying chin, he said shin in his accent, but he was actually meaning to say chin. That's just how it's said over there. And Ellen got confused, and that's a way that the cultural differences, how they speak and how we speak, are different, and how cultures can get confused in different type of slang, or how we say something, how we interpret something is different than us and Britain. Even though we speak the same language, English, we're still speaking in a different way. And I think Alan speaking an American accent confused Hugh just as much, because he's not from America. He didn't understand the slang, how badonkadonk, we understood that was a female's bottom. But that's just a no-brainer for Americans, because a lot of people have heard that before. I mean, a lot of people don't say it, but he's never even heard of it. And just the other words, how it's weird to think that we don't know something in Britain, even though they speak the same language, and they don't know something, or they don't know a type of slang that we say, even though they speak English too. Things are just a lot different. And the other question said, how are you going to use slang now that we've watched the videos and looked at the videos? I think I'm not going to use slang at inappropriate times. Inappropriate time would be if I'm with my parents or with grandparents. They speak in a different way than I do, because I'm from a Mexican heritage, so they don't fully understand all the slang words. Some of them, they're new at English, so English confuses them just as much as, English confuses them. Why confuse them more with slang words and slang terms? Say if I travel over to a different country or a different state, I'm not going to use the same slang I use here in Arizona, and I'll just speak in concise and almost simple terms, so they can understand what I'm trying to say and not get confused. I'm not trying to confuse anybody, and if I use a word, maybe they'll take offense to it. I hope that they wouldn't take offense to it, but maybe they would.